Sweet naman, Jay.
Kunin mo biyan. Then mag-jowa.
Janine. Janine.
Alam ko na yung caption.
Eddie's Choice continues. Alam mo, Janine, na-amaze pa rin ako na nandito tayo ngayon sa Eddie's. You know, with a big crowd in front of us, and with all our colleagues in the industry. Kasi it was just a few years back when we were all observing quarantine restrictions. Pero ngayon, we can definitely say na nagbalik na ang sigla ng Philippine cinema.
Tama, magkasama pa tayo sa lock-in 2 years ago. Totoo talaga yan. Dati, di ba, kasi nasa loob lang tayo ng bahay, nagbe-binge watch ng mga series at mga pelikula. Pero ngayon, may mga bago ng pelikula na talagang pumatok sa takilya. Bumalik na rin ang mga Pinoy sa lahat ng sinehan.
Kaya naman masasabi nating bago mga bayani, ang mga nagtataguyod pa rin ng pelikulang Sariling Atin. This year, we celebrate these new box office heroes who played a crucial role in reviving cinema attendance significantly, helping our film industry bounce back.
To present the Eddie's Box Office Heroes Awards, we have the Chairman and CEO of the Film Development Council of the Philippines, Direk Joey Reyes.
Ladies and gentlemen, as we celebrate the achievements of this past year, we also take a moment to honor the remarkable individuals we've lost. They were more than just names and faces. They were our colleagues. They became our friends. And more importantly, they left an indelible mark on our industry and our hearts.
Please do join us in remembering and celebrating the lives and legacies of those who have passed, as we reflect on their contributions and the lasting impact they have made on the world of entertainment. To lead us in this commemoration, let us all welcome Mr. Ovi Alcacid.
All of this year's special awards recipients, let's give them another round of applause. As we move on to the next part of our program, matanong ko lang kayo, Jake and Gabby, in your experience in acting, syempre mga nag-uumpisa pa lang naman tayo, pero so far, paano mo masasabi na magaling na supporting actor or actress ang ka-eksena mo?
Well,
what do you think?
well, I'm still learning up to this day with my co-actors, of course my director, and I feel like a supporting actor plays such an important role. Dahil, of course, kailangan mo supportahan ng lead, but you also support the lead without dimming your own light. So, yun ang ka-importansya ng isang supporting actor talaga.
Yeah, like she said, parang for me, it's all about the collaborative spirit.
Yes.
When you're able to bounce off of each other, to lift the scene and not yourselves.
Correct.
Tama. Ang ganda ng mga sagot nyo. And I think our next presenters would also agree, syempre with their experience in lead and supporting roles. Presenting the Eddie's Choice for Best Supporting Actor and Best Supporting Actress, please welcome Elijah Canlas and Miss Nikki Valdez.
Good evening.
with everything that our hosts said about what it takes to be a great supporting actor. Right, Elijah?
Yes.
Yes, and speaking of great actors, I have one here with me tonight who won Best Actor, rather, at the Eddies last year. Please give Elijah Canlas a round of applause. Elijah, would you like to say a few words?
First of all, gusto kong mag-sorry sa Eddies na hindi po ako nakapunta last year dahil nga may trabaho. But thank you so much for recognizing my work in Blue Room. Siyempre gusto ko salamatan yung director ko for that, si Direk Maan Asuncion.
Congratulations to this year's Best Sound and Best Visual Effects winners of the 7 Eddies Choice.
Stay tuned to the Eddies as we continue to call the best and brightest in Philippine entertainment on stage. Up next, the Icons Awards and a special performance from Rampa Reynas, right here on the 7th Entertainment Editor's Choice.
Former Governor Chavit Singson.
Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. It is an honor na mapasama ko sa mga tunay na awardees. And rest assured that this will encourage me to help more the movie industry and the people of the Philippines. Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat.
To present the Joe Quirino Lifetime Achievement Award, please welcome Dina Ventura and OWA Administrator Arnel Ignacio.
It is our privilege to present the Joe Quirino Lifetime Achievement Award, a recognition reserved for those who have dedicated their lives to their craft, continually pushing the boundaries of creativity and inspiring generations to come. Our awardee is one of the most respected journalists in the country, a trusted name by Filipinos worldwide.
Her standards in the broadcasting industry is legendary, a testament of our dedication that the Filipino people deserve only the
Blue Room, sana patuloy natin protektahan lahat ng mga alagad ng sining natin. Yun lang, thank you po, Eddies.
Congratulations again, Elijah. And now, we continue to this year's Eddies. Kung tayo ay mga bida sa ating istorya, mahalaga sa atin ang mga taong sumusuporta. Sila ang ating mga kaibigan, kasintahan.